This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm in apartment 1514. Studio, looking south and looking east toward Lincoln Park and Lake Michigan. This is a wide studio. This gives you flexibility in how you lay it out. Makes it easy to segregate a separate sleeping area and screen it with a bookshelf. Look at blond plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Wide wall windows would flood this space with sunlight if the sun were shining. It's a through-the-wall air conditioning unit. Pass through into a one-wall kitchen. White appliances include a refrigerator and a 4-burner electric range. It's white cabinetry, stainless steel sink. Turning back toward the entryway, it's a closet that would have been off to your right, and a walk-through closet as you head into the bath. Bath has Art Deco black and white tile on the floor, updated vanity with a mirrored medicine cabinet up above, and the tub shower combination has a rain shower head. The story here is location and apartments that tend to be toward the budget-friendly end of their rent scale. It's a fitness center, additional resident amenities. If you're looking for a Lakeshore Drive location, 3130 belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.